Hey, welcome back to RV Chef Life. My name's Jonathan. Today you're going to be making a copycat recipe from a restaurant that I think that we all kind of like. Not only do they have good food, but they also have a store with a lot of things that we don't need. It's a Cracker Barrel. They love to have RV guests either during the day or stay overnight, just as long as you go in and grab a quick bite or grab something from their store. Today's recipe is going to be a Copycat Cracker Barrel hash brown recipe. Wow, that is a mouthful. So sit back, hold tight, and let's get started. Hey, the first thing we're going to do is melt 4 tablespoons of butter down in the microwave. My microwave is also the convection oven, so I need to start that process first. Alright, once you have the melted butter, you're going to go ahead and swirl it around a little bit, and you're going to go ahead and put it in the big bowl. If anybody knows anything about this bowl was given to me by my granny before she had passed away. It's my favorite bowl because I remember her cooking and using it so much as a kid. Alright, to that bowl you're going to add 4 or 5 tablespoons of sour cream. After you get the sour cream added, you're going to add 1 can of condensed cream of chicken soup. Go ahead and mix this up once you get it added to the sour cream and the butter. Okay, our next step is to add 4 cups of thawed out hash browns. Without making a mess. To me, that's easier said than done. Go ahead and mix that all up. Again, without making a mess. Alright, once we get that mixed up, what we're going to do is grab our white onion. We're going to go ahead and dice it up into pretty small dices. Once that's all diced up, you'll just add it to the hash browns. Give this one final mix. Once you get the onion in, let's go ahead and add a little bit of salt and pepper, about a quarter teaspoon. Okay, I know I keep saying one final stir, but I forgot to add 1 cup of Colby Jack cheese. Once that's in there, blend it back up, you're going to go ahead and oil and coat your cooking pan, put your mixture in it, put it in the 350-degree oven for about 45 to 55 minutes. We know these RV ovens all are different and don't all cook the same. Just to keep an eye out on it and just wait until it's bubbly and good and browning, and it's time to come out. Alright, my oven just turned off, so let's go ahead and snag it out. Looks pretty good. You can see it there. There you go. Smells good. Let's go ahead and try it. Now, as you can tell, this just came out of the oven. See the steam coming off of it. Clearly I don't want to burn my mouth, but let's give it a try. moly. That is so good. It's good every time. Tastes just like the real thing. If you don't like this recipe, go ahead and try some others. I think you're gonna like this one though. Please like, share, and subscribe. Let's hit that YouTube algorithm so it helps my page grow and get more likes and shares and follows. I appreciate you stopping by, and I'll see you next time. Holy moly, that's good.